Let's actually watch it do a shot. I've been getting low pressure ever since I received this machine. It's a single shot here. My coffee grind thing is on fine. I haven't done anything on the inside, but I did before. We'll do this one here. What's wrong with my dose here? And I'm using the double wall single shot filter. Got a good green. There's your little rough. It's okay. Okay, locked in. Put this down. Use this one here. Shot time is off. There we go. Let's see what we get. See where our pressure sits. And there you go. That's what you get. This is on fine grind. There's my pressure. I'm up in the range. Okay, time wise, I'll have to check that. Here's your espresso results. There's some cream on it. Not much. How's it taste? Bitter. Yeah. Well, I've been debating on sending this machine back or not, because I actually don't know if there's a problem. But I've done everything I possibly could to get this to work right, and I can't. Just can't do it. I've been waiting for a response back from Breville. Haven't gotten one yet, but I've talked to a lot of associates at Amazon, and I'm at the point of sending this thing back and getting back my money. The problem is, I don't know how much money I'm actually going to get back. I have overseas shipping charges and stuff like that, and I don't know if I'll be reimbursed for that. That was $600 just for import fees. Crazy, I know it. That's why I'm real reluctant to send this thing back and get robbed twice. So, just a coffee machine as far as I'm concerned. You can make a latte. Not real easy. Well, I guess it works for that part. But if you're looking for a decent or a good espresso, this is not the machine. Save your money for something else, because this isn't it. The only reason I got this one is because of the wife. Figured it would be easier for her. But for me, it's a waste of money. Thank you for watching.
If you're tired of spending money out on coffee you don't even like, this espresso machine is the product for you. As someone who is tired of either buying coffee that I didn't like or making coffee at home that I didn't like, this machine has been everything and more. It's the best machine that I've ever owned, and it's worth every single dollar. There's several different product features, including the grinder on top, the tamp on the side. It's a single and a double dose machine, and it has a steamer as well. Highly recommend.
Pura vida.